You're trying to fix your Delta faucet, you've got the handle off, and now the cartridge just won't budge. You're pulling, twisting, wiggling, nothing. Sound familiar? A stuck Delta faucet cartridge is one of the most frustrating things in DIY plumbing. But don't panic and don't force it. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get that stuck cartridge out safely, without breaking your faucet or your sanity. Let's do this. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share easy DIY fixes that save you time, money, and stress around the house. Today we're tackling a very specific but very common problem, a Delta faucet cartridge that is completely stuck and refusing to come out. I'll walk you through every trick in the book to get it out cleanly. And stick around to the end, because I've got a pro tip that makes this job so much easier. Part 1. Why Delta cartridges get stuck. So why does this happen? Delta cartridges sit inside the faucet valve body, and over time, mineral deposits from hard water basically glue them in place. The longer a cartridge has been in there, the more buildup accumulates around it. On top of that, the rubber O-rings on the cartridge can swell and grip the inside of the valve body so tightly that it feels impossible to pull out. The good news is, with the right approach, it always comes out. You just have to know how. Part 2. Tools you'll need. Here's what you want to have ready before you start. A Delta cartridge puller tool. This is specifically designed for this job and makes everything easier. Penetrating oil like WD-40 or a dedicated rust penetrant. Needle nose pliers for gripping the cartridge stem. An adjustable wrench, a flathead and Phillips screwdriver. White vinegar for soaking mineral buildup, and a towel to catch any drips. Part 3. Shut off the water and remove the handle. First things first, shut off your water supply valves under the sink. Turn both hot and cold clockwise until they stop. Then open the faucet to release pressure and drain the lines. Now remove the handle. Pop off the decorative cap on top, remove the screw underneath, and pull the handle straight off. Set everything aside somewhere safe so you don't lose any small parts. Part 4. Remove the retaining clip or nut. With the handle off, look for a small retaining clip, usually a U-shaped metal clip, sitting right at the top of the cartridge, where it meets the valve body. Use your needle nose pliers to grab it and pull it straight up and out. This clip is what locks the cartridge in place, so it must come out before anything else moves. Some Delta models have a retaining nut instead. If so, use your adjustable wrench to unscrew it counterclockwise. Don't try to pull the cartridge before this step, or you risk cracking the valve body. Part 5. Apply penetrating oil. Now before you try to pull the cartridge, spray penetrating oil generously around the base of the cartridge where it meets the valve body. Let it soak in for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If the cartridge has been in there for many years, let it soak even longer, up to an hour if you can. This step alone can make the difference between a smooth removal and a broken faucet. Don't rush it. Part 6. Use the cartridge puller tool. Here's the pro tip, and please don't skip this. A Delta cartridge puller tool is inexpensive and available at any hardware store or online. It's specifically designed to grip the cartridge stem and apply even upward pressure without damaging anything. Slide the puller over the cartridge stem, position it against the valve body for leverage, and turn the handle to pull the cartridge straight up. Go slow and steady. You'll feel it start to break free from the mineral buildup. Even pressure is the key here. Never yank or twist aggressively, because you can crack the valve body and turn a small repair into a very expensive one. Part 7. When it's really, really stuck. Okay, so what if even the puller isn't moving it? Try this. Soak a cloth in white vinegar and wrap it around the exposed part of the cartridge. Leave it for 30 minutes to dissolve the mineral deposits gripping it from inside. Then try the puller again with steady upward pressure. You can also try gently rocking the cartridge side to side with your pliers while pulling up. Just a tiny bit of movement can break the seal. Keep applying penetrating oil between attempts. Patience is everything here. Part 8. Install the new cartridge. Once the old cartridge is out, take a look inside the valve body. Rinse it out with clean water, and wipe away any debris or old mineral buildup. Now take your new Delta replacement cartridge. Make sure it matches your faucet model, and apply a thin layer of plumber's grease to the O-rings before inserting it. Slide it straight in, making sure the ears or tabs on the cartridge align with the slots in the valve body. Reinsert the retaining clip, or tighten the retaining nut, then reattach the handle. Part 9. Test everything. Turn your water supply back on slowly and test the faucet. Run both hot and cold. Check that the handle moves smoothly and look for any drips around the base of the handle or under the sink. If everything is dry and working smoothly, you just nailed it. Part 10. Bonus tip. Here's a quick bonus. Just like Moen, Delta also offers a lifetime warranty on many of their faucets. If your cartridge failed prematurely, contact Delta customer service before buying a replacement. They may send you a free cartridge just for asking. Always worth a 5-minute phone call before spending money at the hardware store. And that's it. That stubborn Delta cartridge is out. Your new one is in, and your faucet is working perfectly again. You saved yourself a plumber call, and probably $100 or more, just by being patient and using the right tools. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY fixes, and share this with anyone who's been wrestling with a stuck cartridge. Drop a comment below and let me know what you want me to cover next. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.